Okay, okay, I hear you. I hear you. Okay, okay. Okay, Mondo. Hello. Oh yeah. Okay, I hear you. Okay.
You can
Okay.
still
You
hear?
ready? You ready to start the video?
Huh?
We'll start in three. Hold on. Three, two, one. Now. So what's up, y'all? Today I'm about to do a My League 2K20
2K20?
like rebuild. I'm here with my friend Gato. Say what's up,
Bro,
Gato.
shut your. What's up? What's good? Go check out my Instagram. Same as my
Shut your bitch
username.
ass up. Don't check
No,
on
go
his
check it
Instagram.
out.
He's a bitch.
Go check it out.
He's he
You
he
know?
he likes he. Okay, I'm not even gonna expose you.
Yeah. What? I like
He
what? I like what?
yo. Okay, so okay, name a team I should be, Mondo.
Name the team Lakers.
Lakers. I'm not being that team. I'm about to be. I'm about to be the Cavaliers. About to rebuild the. No, guys. I'm about to do random. I'm about to do random, guys.
About to do random, my
Random,
boy?
random, 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 random. Oh, guess what it was, Mondo?
What?
Lakers.
I see. I knew they were
So it's
gonna do
not.
that.
So it's not too much of the. It's not too much like of a. It's gonna be an easy rebuild. Lakers win. You edit 2019 draft class.
Uh huh.
Is this just
Bro,
no?
is
That's
that little
29.
brown number holding up number three?
Oh fuck, bruh. Hey yo, no homo though. I was just playing. Fuck that daddy. He do not exist.
What?
Hey yo, Shay Lash. But
Saying all on your broadcast?
hey, shut the fuck up, Mondo. Too gay.
I'm too.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, hey yo, Mondo.
Yeah.
I need. I I'm about to rebuild somebody.
You
And
planning
who
to do
should I?
what?
You know what a rebuild is, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
Nigga don't know what a rebuild is.
Yeah, I do. Why?
Rebuild. What's a rebuild?
Where you rebuild somebody and you build them and then you make the stuff. But
No, it's when you build a team to a championship.
yeah, yeah, that's a team.
Okay, so we're gonna rebuild the team so we can have 4 rings. Mondo, I got the 11th pick of the draft. I might have
Pick
the
the
11th pick
Bulls.
of the draft, and I do got a. What, nigga? Are you dumb? I got the Lakers.
Oh, oh.
I got the 11th pick of the draft. I'm 11th in the league right now.
Bro, what are you
Not
doing?
11th in the league. Who me?
Yeah.
Um, I'm rebuilding the Lakers to a championship. It's gonna be easy though.
Rebuilding. Okay.
But Mata, if you wanna watch the stream, you can watch the stream. Go watch it.
No, I ain't gonna watch it, bro.
It's
I ain't gonna watch it.
fuck you then, bitch. Oh, we got Kobe White,
Kobe,
DeAndre
why?
Hunter. Nigga don't know who Kobe White is. Jackson Haynes. Ooh, this is Nazir Little. Damn, man. This is a lot of good. So who's PJ Washington? Tyler Hero. Oh yeah, Tyler. We're drafting him today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So Mondo,
Hmm.
we're gonna be we're gonna be rebuild. We're doing a career simulation on Tyler Hero.
Mhm.
You ever heard of him?
Mhm.
Nigga, okay. He
I don't
got
know. What are
two
you talking
years.
about, bro? Like Tyra, who's that?
Tyler Hero is an NBA player.
Except that one.
Except what? Wait, hold on, nigga. You looking at the stream?
No.
Yes, the fuck you are.
No, I'm not.
Put that on God.
Cause that's my favorite pillow. I'm not.
I don't care. You are. I see 2 viewers. Okay, Kawhi. I can draft Kawhi Leonard. Let's get it, Kush. Let me get this nigga. Kawhi. Why the fuck would you go to the Indiana Pacers? I want Indiana, yo booty. Oh yeah, daddy. What the fuck? Okay, Klay Thompson or Jimmy Butler. Klay Thompson or Jimmy Butler.
Klay
Which one should
Thompson.
I pick? Fuck no.
Klay Thompson.
Let me check. Let me check by the ages. They the same age.
Klay, you won't pick Klay Thompson?
They the same age.
Klay.
Okay, yeah.
Bro.
But Jimmy Butler is more of an all-around player, though.
Bro, my nigga.
Yeah, we're going with Klay. We're going with Klay. Let's see if it's Klay. Fuck. Okay. Kawhi Leonard. Let's see if you want another one for a little bit more money. And we're gonna get Kemba Walker.
No, don't do that.
You said no?
Mm.
You too late. I already got him.
Oh my god.
Fuck, I lost all my fucking money.
Oh, you don't do that.
Damn. Okay. Now we're gonna get we got Kemba Walker and Tyler Hero, so that's pretty good.
Why was your stream late for me? Like you talking and then it's not working.
Yeah, it's like that. I don't know why. It's going eventually it'll fix, but
It's
yeah,
a
it's
30-second delay.
yeah, something like that. Let me brighten the. But yeah, guys,
IPM. Oh yeah.
huh?
Hmm?
But yeah, guys,
Tell me when you get in the game.
were you leaving the stream?
I gotta go see something real quick. I gotta go see
Yeah,
something on
fuck.
stream. Big X.
LaMelo Ball, Kaya Kuz, Tyler Hero, 73 overall shooting guard, important, loyal. Kemba Walker, where is he at? Chris Tucker. I got a Russell. Oh, fuck. What kind of team is this? Okay, let me just have CP. Oh, that's a summer league. I'm like, okay, but yeah, Mondo.
Okay.
I got Kemba Walker, Lonzo Ball, Klay Thompson. No, not Klay Thompson. Kemba Walker, Lonzo Ball, and that's pretty
Bro,
much
it's people
everybody
on
good.
YBN right now.
For real, I don't care. Oh wait, I got LeBron on my team. I forgot he was drafted this year.
LeBron.
It's a good ass team.
LeBron.
I got LeBron, Kemba, Kuz, LaMelo, Brandon Ingram.
Wait, who?
Not LaMelo, Lonzo, Brandon Ingram.
Wait, who?
Huh?
Who?
Who what?
Like who? Like who you all get?
This nigga. I got LeBron, Kemba,
Cares,
Kuz.
nigga. I'm just playing. I just play. But for real.
Fuck you, bitch. Tyler Hero. Athleticism. Tyler Hero. Oh, yeah, 19. We got two good assets for young people. Two good young people. We need a center. We gonna get him though. We're gonna get him a training camp. Now, we're gonna go over there. You stop watching the stream. Oh wow.
Yeah, nigga.
Like I'ma kill you.
What did I do? What did I do? Oh, the YB.
Don't say nothing crazy because people gonna hear this.
All the YBNs is out, bruh.
What you mean?
Like I'm watching YBN. Everybody is out, bro.
What are you talking about, nigga?
Literally, they doing a YBN meeting. The whole server is out, bro.
Nobody cares about YBN, honestly.
Bro.
We're in the middle of the video.
All right, let me go back to your stream. See what you doing.
Okay, I'm not playing no game. It's a career simulation.
My.
Okay, we got him.
It's a
We got
spider.
LeBron.
Me.
What the f?
Catch it with
Brandon
mustard.
Ingram.
Can I
We
get
got
yellow
Brandon and
bird?
LaMelo Ball, and y'all still don't want to play them somewhere?
No.
6'6", 6'1". We
You
can
got
play
your metal ball?
Lonzo.
Lonzo. Oh my god.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Oh my.
Lonzo's the GOAT.
Lonzo.
6,
Bro.
6'8",
Kobe.
6'9".
Oh. 6'9"
I don't got
on your
Kobe.
team? Oh my god.
Nigga young.
Nigga got 6'9" on his team, bro.
Oh fuck! I gotta trade Ingram. He's not. We gotta trade him.
Do
for a
him.
center. Huh? My RB button is so messed up. Brandon
Do that
Ingram.
center.
Oh, Joel Embiid.
Anthony
Nah, bro.
Davis. Do
Nah, but
Anthony Davis. See if you can find.
this nigga's. So he's 6'8".
Gay?
Power
You find
forward.
it gay?
Huh?
Look for what's it called?
Tristan Thompson. Ooh, that looks good.
Antetokounmpo.
Tristan Thompson. Bro, that dude's worth a lot of money, bro. Yeah, I'm
How much money he cost? No, you still gonna get like blocks and stuff, and he can still dunk over you. You can get money from contact
Honestly,
dunks too.
Honestly, I'm about to trade LeBron for Antetokounmpo.